soldering iron tip is nice and clean. If the tip isn't clean, then this is going to affect the quality of our soldering. If the tip is clean, it will have a silvery appearance around the top, but if it's all black, then obviously this is not going to be good enough for soldering. But that's due to the fact that the soldering iron has oxidized due to the heat of the soldering iron, and it's been left on for some time without being tinned. So what we have to do now is use the tip cleaner to clean the tip, and you should be able to see now that it's got a nice silvery appearance. The other thing to remember is always keep your soldering iron tip clean by using this mesh, this wire mesh. And it would also help that if you're not going to use your soldering iron for a length of time, to apply a bit of solder to the tip to stop it oxidizing.